everyone, how are you all? It's been such a long time since I uploaded the last video, and since one person actually reminded me of that, I thought to myself that I could make a response video to explain a little bit and show you a little bit where am I and what am I doing. And yeah, I'm here. As you can see, this is Costa Brava, Catalonia, Spain, still Spain. We will see how it will be in the future. And I'm here doing Erasmus practices and also being as an au pair with a family. So I've been quite busy, and if I had any free time, I usually jumped in the sea here, or in Sant Feliu, the Guijos, or in any beach nearby, because they're all very beautiful. And in all Costa Brava there are actually paths that are connecting these beaches. It's called Caminos de Ronda, and it's so nice to walk on there. It's a good exercise, it's so relaxing, it's so peaceful, it's so beautiful. There is a lot of these beautiful rocks, a lot of beautiful nature. It's very historical and so on. I just love it. As I said, I'm doing here Erasmus practices, and if you didn't know, I studied nutrition. So I'm doing practices in Can Joanas, which is actually a farm, plant-based farm, and they have also their own ecological shop with their products and also some other local products. And they also have some animals for people to see them if they come. They actually make more than 150 different marmalades. Watch out, chocolate marmalades. Yeah. And yeah, that's it. There's a lot of videos coming on soon, hopefully. I hope that you're having a wonderful summer as I do. If you find something for yourself, something interesting to do, I will try to make some videos soon about how you start to be an au pair, how is my family, about Erasmus practices in another country, and also about packing minimally for 3 months because I went here just with a carry-on. What else? Stuff, we'll see. So I wish you all to have a wonderful summer, and hopefully see you soon. Bye! Balabi, balabi. There's been a lot of waves.